don't know how to chill, I been cussing that iron. He try to run out, we get shots in his spine. Bro need a 50, he capping his lines. You wanna come get it, I'm handling mine. Stuck in the booth, I be doing to the mic. You can keep all the fame, I'm full with the hype. Told her bro hit my phone if he need him with pipe. And they call me the Reaper, I'm creeping at night.
YouTube, it's your boy Ro, and I'm back with another hair video. So check it out. Like, this one I'm gonna start out by saying this is how to start freeforms, and I'm gonna tell y'all how not to start freeforms too when I admit it. So all these YouTubers, what they tell y'all, go get you a sponge, go get you a brush, go get you a towel. You don't need none of that. Take it from me. Like, look at my hair. My hair looks straight. Like, it ain't just perfect, but my hair look better than most of these people after they get freeform, like it get Congo together and stuff. My hair ain't doing none of that. So, with that being said, y'all probably like, since we don't need a brush, we don't need a towel, like, what we need? So I'm finna show y'all what y'all need. So first off, natural resources is what y'all gonna need. Like, by natural resources, I mean like your hand. The best thing you can use is your hand, but I always use my hand. I don't know why I was always like, no, at first, matter of fact, I had freeforms. I started with a sponge. From a sponge to a brush to a towel. I used all three of them methods when I got my first freeform. I'm gonna put a video on the screen of my first video and tell me what y'all think. But I done had freeform like 4 or 5 times, but I always took them down. Like, I lost lots of hair taking down freeforms all the time. I cut my hair out last summer. In the summer. Matter of fact, I cut my hair off in the summer. So, with that being said, I got kind of some good growth, sort of kind of good growth. It ain't growing as fast as I wanted to grow, that's why I got this. But this the only thing I've been using. You don't need no locking gel, this the only thing I've been using. But I ain't really been using it like that. It's just been here for a long time. But anyway, it's some kind of growth serum or something like that. But listen, so first off, I'm gonna show you how to towel it. So what you wanna do, you wanna take a dry towel, like a little small dry towel, and you wanna just circular motion it. Okay, so this a method that I don't like. Like, you can feel, like, in the middle of the method, you can, like, while you doing this, you can hear the towel pulling your hair. Like, you can hear strings of hair being pulled and ripped. Like, so, if I was y'all, I wouldn't do the towel method. Like, I wouldn't do the towel method. There's not a method I use. The towel method ain't one of them. So, next, we're gonna get y'all with the brush method. I don't have a sponge right now. I don't need it. So I never really cared about one, but next I'm gonna show y'all the brush method. The sponge method is the basic, like everybody know how to do that. Just take a sponge and go in a circular motion. But the brush method, you don't really gotta go in a circular motion with the brush. Like, you can literally, well, you do gotta go in a circular motion, but like it's more of a pattern when you do it with a brush. Because when you do it with a brush and you go one wrong way, then you'll have this hair twist. Like, when you get a twist, you'll have to get it twist that way or any other way. Alright, so once again, this the brush method right there. So during that whole method, like I said about the towel method, that's not a method I recommend because, like, once again, you can hear and you can feel them pulling on your hair, and I don't like to do that. Only reason I'm doing it, this for y'all. Like, I did this for y'all, and y'all might like the way it look after the brush method or the towel method. So that's why I'm showing y'all them in the video, because if y'all wanna do the brush method or the towel method, I mean, do it at your own risk. Like, I don't say I didn't tell y'all that there was a good method. Like, after a year you having freeform, you see like you missing spots in your head and stuff, like 102 Dalmatians essentially. But look, like, the towel, the worst. The towel, the worst. I'm gonna get these rated. The towel, the worst. The brush being maybe one of the best methods if you're gonna use something other than your hand. Like I always use my hand, like the hand method. When y'all using these methods, y'all see I just got done with my hand. So like when y'all using these methods, y'all want to be gentle. Like don't go hard on your hair because your hair is a very sensitive thing because it's so easy to be ripped and teared and damaged. Like your hair can be damaged very easily. So when you in your head with stuff, be gentle with your scalp and with your hair because it ain't hard to lose it. So with that being said, you don't want to talking a lot, need some water. But with that being said, like with the brush being almost one of the most popular methods because it's a lot of ways. Like if you get a soft brush, you can really like you get a soft brush, like say like one of them shower brushes, the long brush with the white head on it, like the soft top that you shower with, and you sponge your hair with it. This the best way to do it. Like them soft brushes, they gonna get you there. But I wouldn't recommend no brush method, no towel method, no locking gel, only growth. Only something that's gonna help your scalp growth and be moist. So you wanna keep your scalp healthy. With that being said, like you don't want none of that. So in the middle of like all these methods, you got the sponge, and that's the main type. Like the sponge is the main one. So in order to knock the sponge out, we got the brush. I recommend the brush over the sponge, and I recommend the brush over the towel. If anything, I recommend the brush over anything. You're gonna lose hair. I mean, but the point of twists, dreads, all that. Once you lose the hair, it ain't gonna do nothing but get tangled in one of these dreads. So that's why it's so much loose hair in your head when you just middling your hair, you playing your hair. It's so much loose hair because you have dreads in the hair just from these dreads. Like hair that's supposed to fall, it's gonna get in one of these and just stay there. So with that being said, if you want freeform like mine, hand method. No locking gel until your hair is formed how you want it to grow. When it's formed how you want it to grow, you lock it. It should be locking somewhere already without the locking gel at all. So I done did that. I done had these for about, I don't know how long I had my hair, but y'all gonna be on this journey with me. So in the next video, I'm gonna show y'all how to maintain y'all freeform dreads. So if y'all want that video, 25 likes, I'm coming back with another video. Peace.